Now you can see the axle is already messed up, and that's perfectly okay because we're gonna put new ones in. But if you pull this out right here, you'll see the axle is out of the inner cup. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. All right, so you can see I lifted up the other side to make this go in straight. That's gonna help it line up. Turn it until it fits back in. And once you get it, you'll feel it. There it goes. You see how I did that? So I basically just rotated the brake rotor until this was lined up back on the inside of the boot. Now obviously this is broken, but you can see that it did go back into place. So just a quick demo on how to fix the axle if it does fall out. Basically what you don't want to have happen is for this to flop out and the axle to come apart in the first place. I usually use like a piece of wire. You can use a bungee cord, just something to secure it while you're working on the car. Maybe save you some time, save you some trouble.